Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix if sheet tabs not showing in Microsoft Excel. So to fix this problem, click on File, then click on Options. Now here click on Advanced, then scroll down. Underneath Display Options for this worksheet or workbook, if this checkbox is not selected, show sheet tabs. So click this box and click on OK. So you will be able to see this sheet tab. Hide, same process, advanced, and underneath this setting, unselect and click on OK. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.